Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a recipe that is very healthy and nutritious. It's health mix powder. Let's check out the ingredients. I have also given a detailed list of the ingredients in the description box below. You can have a look. So here for this health mix powder, I'm using around 18 to 20 ingredients, and each one has to be dry roasted separately, and then we're going to make a fine powder out of it. So the measurements that I've used today has got me around approximately 2 to 2.5 kgs of powder. So it's a very straightforward recipe as well, but it is quite time consuming. But if you take the time and do it, your breakfast for your kids is sorted. So let's see how to make this. So first I'm taking ragi. Ragi is high in protein and calcium, and it's also very good for lactating mothers especially. Roast this until it starts crackling. Next is red rice. Red rice is high in fiber and a good source of iron, and it also supplies vitamin B6. Roast this red rice until it starts crackling. Next we're using normal white rice. This is powerhouse of energy, as you already know, and most importantly this helps to keep your gut healthy. Roast this until it starts changing color. Next I'm using pearl millet. Pearl millet is one of the best plant-based protein sources and a perfect food for babies as well, and this also treats iron deficiency. You can use this as well. Roast this until it starts changing color, and you can see it starts popping up after some time. Next is we are using dried corn kernels. Corn is very rich in fiber and it helps in digestion. It is also rich in vitamin B12 and folic acid and iron. Next is the sabudana or tapioca pearls. While roasting, keep this on low flame or else it will burn really quick. This helps especially with bone health, and it regulates blood pressure. This is white corn, or called as sorghum. This is rich in vitamins and minerals like vitamin B, magnesium, potassium, iron and zinc. Roast this until it starts browning, and you can remove the corn from the stove now. Next I'm using green gram. This is packed with the vast resources of thiamine, folate and B complex. It's loaded with lots of other vitamins as well, including this also really helps. Roast this until it starts changing color. Next I'm using barley. Barley is potassium, folate, iron and vitamin B6 content, and its lack of cholesterol really helps with a lot of cardiovascular functions. This is samba wheat, or called as broken wheat. This is one of the most healthiest grains in the cereal family, and this is sugar free and helps to reduce blood sugar levels. This next is black chickpeas. Ideal protein source for vegetarians especially, and besides all the goodness that it has already, it helps to fight aging and also prevents hair loss. This is roasted gram. Dry roast this until it starts changing color. Groundnut, a good source of vitamin E. Roast this until the moisture leaves from the nut. Next is almonds. Almonds, as you know, has a lot of healthy fats and it's very rich in vitamin E. And then we are using pistachios, high in protein and high in antioxidants, and it is also low in calories. You can include this. Cashew nuts is low in sugar and high in fiber and heart healthy fats. So it also helps with brain and bone health. And finally I'm using soya. Soya, it's high in protein. This I'm using in very little quantity here actually. Then after turning off the stove, just add a little bit of cardamom and dry ginger powder. Roast this in the minimum heat that is remaining. This helps in digestion and gives a nice flavor to the health mix powder. After dry roasting, we are going to cool this completely, and I'm going to give it in the flour mill and make it into a fine powder. I'm not using the mixer jar. When you're taking it to the flour mill, make sure you use a stainless steel container and not a plastic one, because it will be really hot once the powder is ready. So once you bring it back home, cool this completely before you start storing. So these are the bottles. I have around 2.5 bottles of this powder. I'll show you how to make a porridge out of this now. So I'm making for 2 people. So I'm taking 4 tablespoons of this powder and 1 spoon of jaggery. You can also use normal sugar and a pinch of salt to balance the sweet. And for 4 spoons I'm using 2 cups of water, out of which 1.5 cups of water I've added now. Mix this really well without any lumps before you place the pan on the stove. There shouldn't be any lumps. So the remaining half cup I'm going to use milk today. So after turning on the stove, keep stirring this continuously because this will start catching at the bottom and it might form lumps again. Since we've already dry roasted all of this like really well, this will get cooked very quickly. You can see it has started to, bubbles have started to pop up. This is the time you can start to add your milk. I am using boiled milk here, just 50 ml out of 400 ml water, 50 ml of milk I'm adding. So it started to thicken as well. After you add the milk, this will come to a runny consistency for you to drink. So this is already boiled milk, so just give a quick mix and this is now ready to be served. You can garnish it with any nuts or even roasted coconut and you can serve it to your kids. A perfect and a very healthy recipe, and it is really yummy. So you have to try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. Stay healthy and stay safe. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. To watch the same in Tamil, click the link that is given in the description box below. Thank you and see you again with another recipe video.